Yeah, so programs like GitLab, the source is very large. There's lots of different parts and components. So yeah, definitely reading up on what other issues have already been discovered. So whether that's other reports or looking at the patch notes and things like that, because I've found it's often hard to sort of fix all instances of the same bug. So yes, if there's been I think when I first started, there had been a couple of sort of file handling bugs. So that was sort of the first area I was looking at, was anything that was touching files that were user controlled. So I think that's a pretty good way of narrowing it down.